Question 13, we're being asked about a cube. So if we think about a cube here, and I'm going to call the edge of my cube x. So the volume of this cube is, of course, x cubed. And the surface area of this cube, well, each of these is x, so we've got 6x squared. Now the question asks us to put v in terms of a. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rearrange this one here. So if I write a divided by 6 square rooted is equal to x, and now I put that in there, so the volume is the square root of a over 6 all cubed. I mean, I suppose it may be nicer to put that as a power, wouldn't it? So square root is to the power of a half, and this is all being cubed, and so this is a over 6 to the power of 3 over 2. There's an expression for the volume. For part B, I need to differentiate this. I think I'll take it slowly. I'm going to do a substitution of a over 6. And so it's funny using a v even the substitution. So we've got u to the power of 3 over 2. This isn't a product rule. So if I differentiate this, I just get 1/6. If I differentiate that one, then I get 3 over 2 u to the half, and it's a chain rule, so times these two things together, we've got 3 over 12, so that's a quarter. U, what's u? It's that one, all to the power of a half. So this is dv by dA. So now the final bit of this is to put this together. The questions wants us to find out what dv by dt is. So using a chain rule, I need a dv on the top, I need a dt on the bottom, and these two here have got to be the same, and so the question's all about a's, isn't it? So we've got dv by dt is dv by dA times dA by dt. dv by dA, we've just got up from before, so we've got 1/4 a over 6 to the power of a half, times by dA by dt, and dA by dt is given in the question. It says the surface area of the cube is expanding at a constant rate of 2. So we'll just times that by 2. So here I've got 2/4 or a half a over 6 to the power of a half. So this is a half the square root of a over 6. Still not quite there, but you'll recognise that from right at the beginning of the question. Remember, x was equal to the square root of a over 6? And if x is the square root of a over 6, do you not agree that x is the cube root of the volume from this bit here? And so all the way down here, right at the end, we can say that it's a half the volume to the power of a third, the volume cube rooted.